Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attention for me. Thank you for chance to me. Now I can presenting the article is the title Implementation of Education Improvement Policy for the Indonesia Papua New Guinea border area in Sota District, Merauke Regency by author number 1 Albertus Joseph Maturan, number 2 David Laya, number 3 Willem Levy Betaubun. Background: the Indonesian people so far has not reflected significant progress related to the quality of existing education, especially in the border areas. This is very apparent from the facility and infrastructure that support the education process, which is very different from urban areas which are very complete with educational infrastructure. The progress of a nation can be seen from various aspects, especially in the aspect of education, which is a benchmark for the progress of the country. Education is not just a policy made by the government, but a necessity carried out by the government to create superior resources in each country. Research method: the method used in this research is qualitative research. The method conducted in the research is the study of literature to find out about the conditions that exist in accordance with the data in the reference used and associate with real conditions in the field. Results: education in the border region is very worrying. This is to the lack of the government attention in preparing supporting facility and infrastructure for the implementation of the existing educational process. The geographical situation of the border area in Morocco Regency has always been an obstacle for teachers who work in school in the border area, so the education process especially coupled with binding rules for teachers to always leave school to meet the rules made by the central government in terms of teacher certification. Special autonomy to Papua, where the central government gives authority to the regions to run the government with little intervention for the center and priorities the interests of local and indigenous Papuan people. The education process in the border area has been running as it should, but still constrained in supporting facility and infrastructure in the process of running education and teaching in existing schools, especially in the border area in the Sota district of Merauke Regency. A teaching and learning process will run well if supported by the good and complete facilities and infrastructure in educating the nation's children who are in the border area. The difference is very visible from the physical buildings for magnificent school in the urban areas with complete teaching and learning facilities and infrastructure that become mandatory. However, all of that becomes rare when we compare it with the education of school in the border area, especially in the Sota district of Merauke Regency. The implementation of the policy specifically to improve the quality of education has not been fully implemented well, so that the quality of education which is felt by the community in the stagnant border area. Policy on the education aspect carried out by the government sometimes do not look at the conditions of the region and the people who live in the border areas. This has caused the failure of the central government strategic programs to be implemented in the regions, especially at the district level in the border areas. Equity in the aspect of education is the equity and benefit has not yet been benefit for the people who live on the border, let alone want to improve the quality of education far from expectation. Conclusion: implementation of government policy have not been fully realized, especially in the aspect of education. Education in border areas is still very alarming, so that the available resources have not been able to compete with other regions in Indonesia. The process that has taken place so far has been good, but it is necessary to look at the impact felt by the community as the recipient of the policy of that special study on education in border area need to be carried out to improve the quality of education and superior human resources. That supporting facilities and infrastructure are still lacking. Teacher and teaching and staff are also still limited in number. So this has an impact on the progress of superior human development in the border area, especially in the Sota district of Merauke Regency. Thank you very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time.